Yo, what up, man? It's your boy Twin here, man. Look, Pringles are okay, but I tend to keep it a stock.
Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's happening, or they just blind to the fact that it's hot. That's true. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's hot, they don't. Niggas don't know what's happening, or they just blind to the fact that it's hot. That's true.
Yo, what up, man? Yo, 12's and 21's, man. Y'all heard me, man? Y'all ready, man? Look, I done tried this 7 goddamn times on the camera. And that camera, I do not know the hang of it. I formatted the card. I got that quality of video that y'all got yesterday, even though the quality went down because I edited it in Sony Vegas. I don't know what the hell happened there, but it was still good quality. You know what I mean? Now I'm on my fucking iPhone, so forgive the quality. Please forgive the quality. But we're going to get into it. I done went over this 6 goddamn times. Bruh, Connecticut. We're going to use Connecticut as the hit, which Connecticut came 251 yesterday, and it brought 783. Now this is off of 521. This is the daytime and this is the nighttime. Hopefully y'all see that. Hopefully I'm not in the camera too goddamn much. But hopefully y'all see that. It came 251, 783. That equal 8 and that equal 8. Right? Alright, we're gonna get straight into it, G. Like I said, man, I went over this shit several times. 12's and 21's. Basically, you wanna get your hit now. Let me write this out right now. This is using regular math. Regular math. So if you're a rookie, you're an amateur, and you don't know what the fuck you're doing, basically, this ain't the video for you, G. Do not watch this video because bad enough when you first start off and you're doing your regular rundowns, your 1, 2, 3, your 1, 1, 1, or your 666 rundown or whatever. Any kind of rundown that you're doing, you're using lottery math. In this method right here, you're using regular math. So you will be borrowing and you will be carrying. You feel me? Do you feel me? Alright, let's get into it. You're going to break down your previous hit. We're going to get 783 with that 251. We should have enough time with my iPhone. I know the battery died quick on it, but we should have enough time to get through all of this. You get your previous hit, which in this case we're going to use 2, 5, and 1. But you're breaking that 2, 5, 1 down into 2 pairs. So you will have 2, 5 as the front pair and 5, 1 as the back pair. You're going to write it twice. Actually, you're going to write it 4 times, but we're going to get into that. 2, 5, and then 5, 1. Hopefully y'all got that. Y'all can see that. Right? We good? We good. Alright. Now, excuse me, you're going to minus 12. You're going to plus 12. I don't know why. I didn't switch that up so many goddamn times. It don't matter whether you plus 12, minus 12 first, or whatever. It does not matter. But whatever you do to this side, you do the opposite on the other side. So, if you got minus 12 on this side, you're going to do plus 12 on this side, and then you're going to do minus 12 on this side. You feel me? So, plus 12, minus 12. You're going to do the opposite. I know y'all remember that. Whatever you do to one side, you got to do the opposite to the other side or some shit like that. Y'all remember how that shit go. I'm not going to get into all of that, motherfuckers. But look, we're going to switch colors right quick. We're going to use green. Should we use green? We'll use blue. Alright. 5 minus 2, you're using real math. Real math. 5 minus 2, you got 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1 minus 2, you cannot do that. So you got to borrow from the 5. That brings that to a 4. Let's get that slump 8 out the way. We're going to get that makes that 11. And 1 makes that 11. Y'all know how to do regular subtraction, man. 11 minus 2. Or you can use a calculator. You a bitch if you're using a calculator. You feel me? You feel me, G? Haha. Look, 11 minus 2, that's 9. 4 minus 1 is 3. Bam. So, with these numbers right here, we're going to write these numbers out. Generally speaking, if you go on the website, I'm not going to write it out this time. I wrote it out last time. You go on the website, they will tell you the 12 and 21. You will write these out. And I think they say write them out in sequential order, along with the 4 set of numbers that you would get from the 21. Instead of using 12, you would use 21 in this instance. They would get you to write them all out, and you would use it like a wheel or matrix or whatever. If you that type of lotto player, just go to the website and see how it's done. I'm showing you guys how I use this motherfucker, how I use it in Virginia Lottery, the hit in Virginia Lottery. I haven't used it in Virginia Lottery. I'm going to use it after I do this video to see if something is there, because I will be goddamn playing. Do you feel me? With this method. But this is for Connecticut. Shout out to my boy L. Carter, man. I said that in the last video. I thought he was in Texas, but he's actually in Connecticut. Shout out to him. And shout out to my brother Moomar up in Connecticut. What up, boy? Your number going to show up, boy. Watch this shit. Excuse me. You can write these numbers over. I'm going to write these numbers over here so we still have them. 13, 63. And if you follow along, just write them over to the side somewhere. 39. You want those 4 set of numbers because that's what we got from the 12, right? That's what we got from the 12. Now, we're going to erase. We can go ahead and erase all of it because then, therefore, we can go ahead and do it over again, just in case y'all miss me with something. Just in case y'all missed something that I done. Oh man, what do we want? We're gonna use black. Fuck it. Alright, so we're gonna break down that 2, 5, 1 into 2 pairs, right? 5, 1, 2, 5, 5, 1, right? Now with this, you're gonna minus 21 plus 21. You're gonna plus 21 minus 21. And like I said, we go back into what I said. You don't have to do it necessarily from, you could do plus 21 minus 21. But if you did plus 21 here, you will have minus 21 here. You get what I'm saying? As long as y'all understand that, y'all gonna be good. Let's get into that lottery math, man. Not lottery math, but regular math, man. 5 minus 1 is what? 4. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. Do you hear me, G? Alright, let's get it. Alright, now, those are the pairs right there. And then these pairs right here, 0, 4, 7, 2. I don't know why the hell I'm sitting here trying to rush through this motherfucker. Well, I do know, but still. Those are the pairs. Now, this is my twist on it. This is what I'm telling y'all how I do it. I just write the pairs out, right? I just wrote them out. Now I'm going to erase this because I'm about to use the entire board, G. Y'all know how I get, G. Y'all know how I get, G. Now, before I write everything out, before I get back into it, y'all know the 2, 5, 1 equals 8, right? And this came out during the daytime. So say the night before the hit sum was, let's just say it was 1, right? 1 came to 8. Y'all like, where the fuck that come from, right? No, what they doing, they resetting them numbers. So now you looking at 8. So me, generally speaking, if they reset them numbers like that, when I think they resetting, I'm thinking the next number that's coming up is going to equal 8. And that's why I said Connecticut, this shit might be working for y'all. Like, do this shit how I'm doing it, or add your own little twist on it just to see what, if you don't think the next sum is going to be whatever you say, whatever I think it is, use your educated guess with the sum, and just go ahead and get that hit, baby. That's what we doing over here. We trying to get y'all hits, man. Like, if the shit ain't working in Virginia, I ain't got no problems with sharing with y'all. Yo, y'all feel me? That's what it's all about, man. My lotto hits, man. We get it. We get it popping, G. I just went off on a little tangent, but look. These pairs right here. Now what you want to do, you want to write them out. We're going to write the first ones out because I like to do shit in order. But you're going to write X, right? It don't matter how you do it. You can do it X, 1, 3, or you can do 1, 3, X. It does not matter how you write this out. You just writing out the pair, right? You just writing out the pair. So if we just writing out the pair, we're going to do it with this right here. We're going to do X, 1, 3 equal. We're going to do X, 6, 3 equals X, 3, 7 equals X, 3, 9 equals, and then we're gonna erase this right here. A lot of fucking erase. I need another goddamn whiteboard, B. Like, this shit too damn small for me. I be going in. Fuck wrong with these niggas. X 0, 4 equals, and then X 7, 2 equals, and then X 4, 6 equal, and then X 3, 0 equal, right? Damn, I wrote those equal signs too goddamn big, G. Alright. Fuck it. Alright, let me see. Equal. Alright. That's basically what you got, right? Now, like I said, you basically, to all my lotto heads out there in Connecticut or whatever state, this is universal. This is universal. No matter what city, what country, what college, dorm room. Y'all know I'm ignorant with this shit, man. Look. It don't matter where the fuck you at. This shit is universal. You gotta backtrack and see if it works. But word from Dread, word from Twin, I'm letting y'all know in Connecticut, I think this shit is working for y'all state. Do you hear me? So, going off of this, like I said, I would predict that the sum will be 8. It may be 8. It may be 3. But being that I predicted 8, we're gonna go ahead and write equals 8, 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 equals 8. Boom. Right? So being that you already wrote your sum out equal 8, you're going to erase the X. Now we're going into the kindergarten algebra. You heard me? The kindergarten algebra. And basically you just going to plug in, what color we're going to use? We're going to use blue. Well, now we're going to use black. Fuck that shit. You're going to plug in the number to get you that sum of 8, right? So 1 and 3. The regular math, let me erase that. The regular math went for the 12s and 21s. When we was doing our editing to get these pairs, we already have our pairs. So if you play pairs, if you just play pairs in your state, this would be a great method to get your pairs. Great fucking method. Do you hear me? You will have to decipher whether you want to do, let's do 0, 4. You would do X04 as a pair. You would do 0X4 as a pair. You would do 4X0 as a pair. You would do X40 as a pair, and so forth. I think there's one more that I'm forgetting. You got back pair. Oh, the front pair. I gotta get the front pair. You would have 40X as a pair or 04X as a pair. I don't even know if that's in the video, but y'all get what I'm saying. If you just play pairs, that's your fucking best friend right there. This method right here is your best friend. Like shit, I'm telling you. If you just play pairs, this method is on point for that. These are all pairs that I'm showing you guys right now. Now, 783 is what came out. We equal an 8. That's what we want the next. That's what we predicting. Basically, you gotta have, like I said, you gotta have that luck. You gotta have that educated guess. You gotta know what the fuck you doing, basically. You know what I mean? You gotta be in tune with that shit. So, if 8 came out during the daytime, alright, I'm thinking 8 coming out at nighttime. Now, thanks to your boy Twin and Pick3edge.com, motherfucker, we already got our pairs and we got 2 numbers. All we gotta do is plug in 1 motherfucking number, G. That's all we gotta do is plug in. So let's get the plugging in. 1 and 3 is 4, so we got 4. 6 and 3 is 9, so we got 9. 3 and 7 is 10, so we got 8. 3 and 9 is 2, so we got 6. 3 and 0 is 3, so we got 5. 4 and 6, that's 8. 7 and 2, that's 9. They're gonna move on. Shout out to Mo. 4 and 4 is 8. Whoa. Look at that shit, man. There we go. 4 and 4 is 8. You feel me? That's how simple that shit is. It ain't simple because I did a lot of shit. But if y'all follow along, man, hopefully this quality is good and y'all still on point with me. These are the numbers that you will be using, right? And I'm going to write them out. Let me see if I can write them out right here. I'm going to write them out big as hell so y'all be able to see. 963, 837, 639, 404, 972, 846, and then 53 motherfucking 0. You feel me, G? Now, being that we got that already out the way, like I said, pause, rewind, start all the way from the beginning, goddammit. If you got to, you feel me? Ain't no shame in it, baby. Ain't no shame in it. All those numbers that we got 4, 1, 3. We got 9, 6, 3. We got 8, 3, 7. We have 6, 3, 9. Erase this right here so this shit won't fuck nobody up. You feel me? But the hit that came was 783. 783. Alright, 639, and then we got 404. Then we got 972. Shout out to my brother Mo. 846. And then we got 530. Right? These are your numbers. These are your numbers, G. These are the numbers that you're going to play with the sum of 8. Now, to add some more twin sauce on that motherfucker, no homo, some more twin sauce, this is what we're going to do. Now, you know 251 came out, right? Let's change the color up. You know let's use orange. You orange work, because these markers cheap as hell. They done went out. Look, 251, right? 251. That's an even, odd number, right? Me, generally speaking, if that's how it came, I'm looking for an even, odd number to come. Probably not that order. I might be looking for odd, even, odd number, in which I think that, yep, that's how that came right there. Or you might be looking for odd, even number, right? That's generally what I do. I just repeat the same shit, especially if they're going to repeat the same sum. I just repeat the same shit. I'm struggling over here with the equal sign. You get what I'm saying? So, with that, you just take your numbers, like, once you break it down like that, this is how you get the straight hit. If you just want any order hit, all of these are your friend. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's $8. I mean, that's $8 if you're playing for $1.50. If you're not playing that goddamn much. That's $4 for 50 cents in the order. You feel me? 50 cents in the order. But if you want that straight hit, you gotta decipher. Is it coming even, odd? Is it coming even? Huh? Is it coming odd, even? I think it can come odd, even with a sum of 8. Yep, motherfucker. Odd, even. Oh damn, that's what the hell we got. Oh well, shit. Y'all got. See, look. Let me go ahead and finish off this motherfucking video, G. But y'all get me though, right? So with odd, even, odd, the list of numbers that we will have would be odd, even, odd. Okay, hold up. Odd, even, odd. We erasing that. We still here, man. If y'all fuck with me, y'all still here. What I say, odd, even, odd, and then we have, what I say, odd, even, odd, and then I say even, odd, right? So with just that right there, you then just pick out your numbers that equal 8. Okay, we're not gonna use that. That's 1 even. We're gonna use that. That's all even. That we're not gonna use that. We're gonna use that. 639. We're gonna use that. 837, we're gonna use that. 963, we're gonna use that. 413, we're gonna use that. Boom. You ain't necessarily gotta use all those that I checked off. I'm just saying. Excuse me. So, excuse me. 413 would be something like 143, right? Odd, even, odd. 963 would be 69. Well, shit, 963. Shit, you feel me? You would have 8. Okay, you would have. How did it come? It came 783. You probably would do 387, right? But it came 783. You get what I'm saying? There's a lot of fucking levels to this shit. That's why I say if you a rookie, you a novice, you an amateur, don't come to this shit, man, thinking this shit gonna be a cakewalk, because it's not. You feel me? But this right here is my straight hits. The any order hits, you already got the method to the madness. Any order hits or pair hits, you already got what you need. But my motherfuckers that get deep into there trying to get that motherfucking guap, that money from them motherfuckers, this is what you looking for. So right here, even odd, or right here, even, let's put an even section. Even. This is all personal preference. You get what I'm saying? So if you had all even, you have 4, 4, and you also have, where is it at? 8, 4, 6. I think those was the only even numbers. Yep, those are the only even. And right here, even odd, you might have 8, 7, 3, bam. Or you might even have 2, 7, 9. Shout out to my brother Moo. 2, 7, 9. You know what I mean? And then what's another one that I did not use? 6, 3, 9. I did use 6, 3, 9. I don't know. Damn, that shit up there twice. That number should have came out, bro. Over there in Connecticut. That should have came out after that 215. It might come out today. 639 936. It is 12:51 p.m. 522. And I'm calling out 369. That bitch might come out in Connecticut during the daytime. I don't know when y'all number come out, but as y'all can see, oh my god, it wouldn't be a video if I won't drop this shit, bro. 837 783. That's how they got it. Now, hopefully we got enough time, man. Hopefully that video ain't stopped. If it didn't stop, I'm gonna go straight into the segment 3. I know this video gonna be long as hell, but I don't give a damn. Oh shit, we still rolling. My motherfucking lotto heads don't give a damn, so we gonna go straight back into the motherfucking word. Fuck y'all thought I was just stopping there? Fuck out of here. Look, 783. That was your hit, Connecticut, right? Shout out to my boy L Carter again, man. 783. Look, you're gonna get that into pair. 7 8 and then 8 3. 7 8 and then 8 3. Bam. First off, let's go ahead and get this out the way. You know your sum 251 was 8, and then that brought 8. So what you think the next sum gonna be? That's what you need to fucking figure out before you even start doing this. What do you think your next sum is going to be? Now 8 and 8 for shits and giggles. Let's just say that the next hit sum is gonna be 6. Or y'all don't like 6? If y'all don't like 6, we're gonna do 3. 6 or 3, right? To flip that 8 to a 3, 6 or 3. That's what we think the goddamn next sum gonna be. Here, it might even be 8 again. So with that being said, we're gonna keep that 6 or 3, and we're gonna delete this right here where we're gonna erase it, and we'll get straight into what we was doing, G. We're gonna do minus 12 plus 12. Plus 12 minus 12, right? Just to get these pairs off. Once we get those pairs off, G, we pop it. Alright, give me something that I ain't used yet. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 minus 2 is 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. Let me backtrack that because I ran through that motherfucker like a motherfucker. 8 minus 2, okay, everything good. Everything Gucci. These are the pairs. See, you already got your pairs. See what I'm saying? We can go ahead and write these. 6, 6, 9, 5. So we have them 8, 0, and then 7, 1. Right? Now, I'm just looking to see what I can erase and keep. Okay, we're going to erase.
Homie, you ain't really like that. Stop playing like about that. You the type get uppercut, bring your ass for your own fight. That's all right, homie, you ain't